A very good morning, my dear students. I'm Rama Mishra and I'll be taking your English online classes. So, welcome, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and are in great health. I'm already so proud of each one of you for being so patient during these hard times. Remember, everything is possible when everyone is fighting for something together. And now our class fights together against COVID 19. By remembering to wash our hands regularly, by eating proper food, by reading, by playing, and by sleeping on time. Do you know what else you have to do? Remember to smile. Remember to tell yourself that you are very strong, okay? With this, let's start our today's session. Today we are going to start the very first chapter from your English textbook. That is a poem, Ice Cream Man, written by Rachel Field. Look at your screen, students. She is Rachel Field. Rachel Field was an American novelist, poet, and the writer of children's book. Okay, now come to the poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Here, the poet says that it is summertime and the city is burning with extreme heat. The sun blazes extremely. The ice cream man comes to the city with his ice cream cart and goes slowly on the street with his cart. Okay, now the second para. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown or white. Mounds means heap or pile. Okay, the ice cream man is a source of joy and happiness to everyone in this city. Okay, and also the ice cream man is source of joy and happiness to everyone in this scorching heat. Okay, it is wonderful and also joyful to see how the ice cream man fills the cone with ice cream under his big round umbrella. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. Here, the poet talks about the variety of flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry that the ice cream man has in his cart. He also has chilled frosty fizz drinks in different colors. Okay, now the last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses or sweet peas, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. Cluster means gather around. So here the poet compares the ice cream cart with a bed of flowers where roses and sweet peas are blossoming. The poet says that the way children gather around the ice cream cart, they look like honeybees clustering around the flowers to get nectar. Okay, this is how the ice cream man spreads joy and happiness everywhere in the summer. So, students, I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Students, please read the poem twice or thrice and try to explain with the help of this video. If you have any doubt, then contact me on my personal WhatsApp number between the given time. So, dear students, that's enough for today. Wait for the another video. Till then, bye bye and take care.